Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C51 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the fastest way of turning on and off this mode, and all we have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and here we have to find a proper icon, the eye comfort. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Now into the customization. If you want to, you can tap on this icon and hold it, and your device should drag it to the proper options, thanks to which you can customize it. However, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get there, because if for some reason this automatic option won't work, then you will still be able to find the options. So let me go back, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the night light, because for some reason in the settings the eye comfort mode is named differently. So here we've got the night light. We can of course turn it on by using the switcher, and let's tap on it to be transferred to the options. So let's start with the intensity. We've got the switcher, and by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. So this mode is much more intensive. It's of course up to you which option, which intensity you want to use. We can also schedule that feature. So the none option is manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely pick the start and the end time. Of course it's up to you. And you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, so it's of course up to you. I will set the none option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.